Hello children, this is Mrs. Renku Mukherjee here. I hope all are fit and fine. Today we will start a new chapter, that is articles. Okay, you know children that there are two types of article, indefinite article and definite article. A and an are indefinite article and the is definite article. Okay, now I will discuss about the use of a, an and the. Okay, that from your childhood, that means from KG class, you are learning the use of a and an. Okay, then today again we will discuss all the rules. Okay, a is used before. We all know that a is used before the words beginning with consonant. Okay, this is correct, but I must say this is partially correct. Now you will add only one word. Whatever you learn from KG, you will now add one word with that. A is used before words beginning with the sound of consonant. Not only consonant, the sound of consonant. Okay, now let me give some example. Consonant sound, you all know that A, E, I, O, U, these five are vowels and rest of the letters are consonant. And all of you know the sound of consonant as well. Then we will use A before consonant sound. Okay, for example, a boy, a girl. Okay, boy, girl, all these are consonant sound. Now rules number 2. Some such vowels that have the sound of U. Some words are there that though they starts with vowel, but the sound is consonant. I told you that you will just add one word. Whatever you learn from KG class, that you just add one word, that is not only consonant, consonant sound. Okay, this word U, E-W-E, the word U, it sounds like Y-U. Okay, it sounds like U. Okay, university, uniform, unique. Many words are there that though it starts with vowel, but the sound is consonant. Sound is U. Okay, Y. So we will use A here. A, U, a university, a uniform. Okay, clear? Next, some words are there that starts with O, but the sound, it sounds as wa. Wa means W-A, wa. For example, 1 rupee note, though it starts with vowel, but the sound is consonant. Okay, 1 rupee note, one way road. Okay, here we will use a. Okay, a 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note, a one way road. Is it clear, children? Then these are the 3 main uses of A, where you will use A. And now come to an. An is used before, you all know that before vowel we will use an. Yes, it is correct. Now we will add one more word with it, that is vowel sound. Okay, words beginning with a vowel. For example, an apple, an elephant, everyone knows that. Now come to rules number 2. Words beginning with H. Words beginning with H which is not sounded. That means the sound of H is silent here. For example, an hour, Though it starts with H, but we are not pronouncing the sound of H. An honest man. We are not telling honest. We are saying honest. Okay, the sound of H is silent here. So here also we will use an because it sounds like vowel. Okay. Rules number 3. Consonants beginning with a vowel sounds. Here also some words that starts with consonant but sounds like vowel. For example, an MA. The letter is M but it sounds like vowel. MA. An MD. Okay. Here also we will follow that vowel sound. And one more very interesting thing, that some places you will not use indefinite article. Okay, for this is very clear that for plural we will not use a or an. Okay, and for uncountable noun also we will not use, just see, uncountable noun also we will not use indefinite article. Uncountable noun I already taught you that, for example, information. This is uncountable noun. If I write an information, then or a music is also uncountable noun. If I write an information or a music, it is not correct. Then we will not use indefinite article before uncountable noun. This is very important. Okay. Now we will go for definite article. Definite article, from the name only we can understand that when we talk about a particular thing, then only we will use definite article. Just see, the is used before particular person or thing. For example, just see, meat is tasty. Here this is a very general statement. Okay, meat is tasty. Meat means general. Okay, and if I say the meat you bought today is tasty, here just notice here, children, that I am talking about a particular meat that you bought today. Then I am talking about a particular meat. So we will use here the. That means for particular person or particular thing we will use definite article the. Is it clear? Next, a common noun to indicate the whole class. Sometimes we say that the cow is very useful. Okay, here the cow does not means a particular any one cow. We want to tell the whole class here. Okay, the cow means the whole class. The whole class is referred here. So the cow is very useful. Okay, next is that we all know that before name of a river we use the. For example, the Ganges, the Yamuna, many other rivers are there. Ranges of mountain. Children, just notice very carefully, ranges of mountains. For example, the Himalaya. Here I want to tell you one thing. If any individual mountain, if I talk about any individual mountain, for example Mount Everest, we will not use the. Then where we will use? The ranges of mountains. Okay, we will use the, for example, the Himalayas. We will use the before groups of islands. For example, the Andamans. Then we will use the before ocean or sea. For example, the Indian Ocean or the Red Sea. Okay, we use the before newspaper or well-known books. For example, the Telegraph, the Times of India, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Gita. So many well-known books are there. Newspaper, name of newspaper, we use the. Then next is before ordinal numbers. All of you know ordinal numbers. You already learned in maths. For example, the 1st of May. Okay, first is ordinal number, and before that ordinal number we use the. Or the 2nd of October. That is also second also ordinal number, and we use the before ordinal number. Next is before, you all know that you already learned adjectives, and you all know that before superlative degree, before superlatives we use the. For example, the best book or the best girl in the class. She is the best girl. The best. Okay, the worst. Okay, the tallest. Okay, and we use the last, that the noun which is unique. Unique, that means that is one. That we have only one. For example, the sun, the moon, the world, all this. Then here 10 uses of the definite article. Today I am telling about 10 rules where you will use the definite article the, and definite means it must be particular. And one more thing I want to tell, that if I say that I saw a boy, here first time I can say that I saw a boy. Next, if I say I saw a boy, the boy is tall. Second time we will use the. Okay, first when we will introduce a common noun, we will not use definite article, but when we will repeat that common noun, then we will use the. For example, I saw a boy, the boy is going to school. The school is near to his house. First time we are not using the for the school. Next time, second time, we will use the for school also. And you all know that we use article for noun, before noun. Okay, you may think that before adjective also sometimes we use. For example, an interesting story. But we cannot say an interesting. Actually, we are using that for an, we are using it for story. Okay, what kind of story? That is interesting. That's why we are using an interesting story. We always use, remember that we always use articles for noun. Okay, and here I want to say these are very, very important, that articles apparently it looks that is very easy, but sometimes some rules are very tricky, and you will have to remember that. Don't use definite article before proper noun. If I say the Rama is a good boy, it is not correct. We will not use the before proper noun. Abstract noun. If I say I love the truth, it is not correct. Truth is abstract noun. We will not use definite article before abstract noun. Okay, then material. You know, gold, silver, all these are material. If I say the gold is precious, it is not correct. Okay, gold is precious. Okay, we will not use the before material. Okay, Next, name of games. I love the cricket or I love the football. No, it is not correct. We will not use the or definite article before the name of games. Okay, and we will also not use the before the name of a country. If I say I live in the India, it is wrong. I live in India. Okay, then some of the rules where we will not use articles, that also I try to give some hints that where we will not use indefinite article or where we will not use definite article. Okay, I think one more day we will discuss about only where we will not use articles, that but today's lesson is mostly based on the use of articles, where we will use a, where we will use an, and where we will use the. I think all of you understood and all of you enjoy the class also. That's all for today. Thank you, children.